How much to tip Uber Eats driver? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Here, search tips to Uber drivers. You'll find how tipping works, which is the official website of Uber. Now, in here, you'll find tipping, how it works, and you'll find all the information. You can choose any amount of tip you want. So there is no specific amount for tips. You can use any tip you want. After a trip has ended, riders have 30 days to add a tip. When you go online, you'll see any new tips you've received. And that's all. This is how much to tip Uber Eats drivers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.